Hello children, welcome back to Scholars Online Classes. And in the last two classes we might have seen about the motion as well as time, their units, types of motions, their examples, speed, distance and the time, their units and examples we have seen. So today I would like to give you basic information. See, nowadays in your science textbooks or even if you go to 10th class textbook also this information is not available, but it is very essential to write the units of a particular physical quantity. Did you understand? Yes. See, most probably the physical quantities are measurable, isn't it? But here we will learn the basic. See, in olden days to measure a particular objects, see, mainly we have derived quantities. See, physical quantities I am talking about, actually physical quantities. Physical quantities are of two types. Okay, one is basic quantities and the derived quantities. The basic physical quantities are length, mass and time. What are the physical quantities? Mainly length, mass, time. So our ancestors, they used to have different methodology to measure different the physical quantities. In this video or in this class I would like to give you the previous one and the present system which we are using. Already you might have seen these concepts in your 7th class. Of course you have in units and measurement topic it is there, but it is essential to solve the problems in this chapter. That's why I'm dealing now. Here the first standard is FPS. What is that fixed standard? That is measurement, basic measurement of in the ancestors used, that is FPS. That is, length is measured in foot and mass is measured in pound and the time is measured in second. Here it is. F stands for foot, P stands for pound, S stands for second. And the second basic measurement is CGS system. Of course we are not using this one, but only few physical quantities we are using for this. So CGS stands for C for centimeter and G for gram and S for second. That means centimeter means the length of particular object is measured in centimeter, mass of a particular object is measured in gram and time is always in seconds. Now the third one, which is very important, that is MKS system. So this is modified into SI system. SI system stands for Standard International. Means all over the world nowadays is implementing this meter, kilogram and second, which is almost all similar to MKS system. Is it clear? Length of a particular object is measured in SI system is meter. In SI system mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in always seconds. So these are the basic measurements to measure different objects. So length, mass, time. Of course when you come to your 10th class, higher classes, so then there I will explain you what are the derived quantities. But in this class I am going to tell you only about the length, mass and time. Is it clear? So basing on this, how we will solve the problems we'll see in this video itself. Say in the last class we have seen about the formula, that is speed is equals to distance divided by time. Am I right? Okay. Now how to solve different problems or from one standard measurement to another standard measurement. What we have seen, the SI system, SI units of the speed is equals to meters per second, and also it can be replaced into kilometers per hour also. That means in your examination, for example, if a train is covering or else it covered 100 kilometers in 60, say for example 16 hours. If a train covered 100 kilometers in 16 hours, what is the speed of that particular train? Is it okay? So observe the units given here. Here it is the kilometers. That means the distance of the train, the distance covered by the train is measured in kilometers, and the time took by the train is in hours. While solving the problem, we have to convert this kilometer and hours into seconds. So what is the value he has given? So before that, 1 kilometer per hour is equals to how many meters per second? This is the basic objective question comes in your examination, and even you may solve these types of problems in your intermediate also, physics, isn't it? So 1 kilometer, first I would like to, 1 kilometer is equals, so I am just converting the 1 kilometer into meters. As you know the basic answer, what is that? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, and 1 hour is equals to, how many seconds? 1 hour is equals to, of course, 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. That means the total value will become like this, 3600 seconds, isn't it? According to the given statement, 1 kilometer per hour, in other words 1 kilometer per hour, isn't it? So 1 kilometer is equals to how much? 1000 divided by 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. You just do simple mathematics here, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 5s and 2 18s. So what is the value it has come? 5 by 18. So 5 by 18. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meters per second. So you can solve, or else you can remember directly this value, 5 by 18 meters per second. So whenever a problem comes like kilometers and hours, you have to convert the kilometers into meters and hours into second. Is it clear? So keep remember this key point, which is very, very, very important in your examination point of view. Okay, hope you understood well, and we'll see the next chapters or next topics in the coming classes. Thank you.